So welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video session we will discuss how we can declare fspecs defined external file with key and open for input in fixed RPG versus fully free RPG. So basically here we will discuss the file definition, that is for a specific case, this one. So in previous video we have discussed how we can declare the same file without key and open for input in fixed RPG versus fully RPG. So this time this file has key. So let me show you how we can declare this. So this is the format for the fixed one. So fixed RPG declaration is like this: the file name, fspecs, file name, uh, declared in input mode. This is a fully procedural file, external file, that's a key, and this is a disk file. So if I would be declaring this in fully free RPG, let me show you. So I'll be declaring this like a dcl-f file1 keyed. So basically this is a keyed file, and this would be the syntax in fully free RPG. Now uh, we can also write like this: dcl-f file1 disk star ext keyed usage star input, or like this. So basically you can see that disk star external. So if I would be using either disk or this star external, if I would be writing like this, star ext would be assumed. Okay, if I would not be writing disk in this one while declaring this, so disk is assumed. So file this is optionally disk file. If I would not specifically mention here that which type of file it is, whether a disk file or an orchestration file, so uh, by default it is a disk file. Okay, so that's why you can see I'm not using disk star ext, which is optional to use if I am declaring a disk file, and usage is star input, which is again optional to use. So by default the usage is input. So if I would not write this, uh, the compiler would assume that this is an declared in the input mode. So dcl-f opcode is used, and then file, and then keyed. We will be using keyed to refer that, to mention this is a uh, keyed file. So these are the ways which uh, in which we can write fully free RPG uh, file definition, where the file is an external disguise file, and um, having a key and open for input. So that's all here. So thank you and have